if you want to talk teams that probably have the most going on this offseason, you're definitely talking the Progressive Insurance, PMG Suzuki, and Twisted Tea HEP Suzuki. Because obviously, well, Ken Roczen, the biggest name of the offseason, silly season, whatever you want to call it, switching teams, and also injuries, they have definitely been the team to have the most news this year. We're just going to straight off start it with, obviously, Ken Roczen, switching from Honda after all those years back to the Suzuki after, back to his roots, whatever you want to say, back to the yellow brand. And I think he will do good. Will he win? Who knows? He is on a Suzuki, so we all know how well they've been doing lately. But, maybe it's been a skill thing. Who knows? To fill in the roster around him, they did have Brendan Hartranft, but if you look up in the top right-hand corner, click right there, you'll see that he was majorly injured this offseason, broken back, just out. So at best, you're probably looking, if he's healthy enough to even race motocross, so he's out for supercross. Sad to see. They did, to refill his place, sign Shane McElrath, who will be doing a 450 SX and a 250 WSX. So, who knows? We'll see how he does on, racing the dual class for the year, and whatever. And sad to say, being a Blue Crew person myself, we lost to Chiz. Kyle Chisholm has moved over for 450 SX and WSX on the Suzuki. I love Chisholm, so it's good for him. I'm glad to see he's on a full ride. He's got a 2-year contract plus a 1-year option. So it's not even like a 1-year race for him or 1-year season. He's got a 3-year contract. He's going to be steady. You don't have to worry about it for a while. It's good for him. There are some rumors too. Marshall Welton racing 250 East SX and 450 MX, and also Dylan Schwartz racing 250 West and 250 WSX. So we'll see about that. But obviously the biggest news was Ken Roczen switching from Honda, having all of his time and fun racing, or riding the blue, the green, the red, and ending on the yellow. So we'll see how he does. Obviously, he's Ken Roczen. He's one of the most talented riders on the field. I don't know. I expect him to be competitive. Do I think he's going to win a championship this year? Probably not. Definitely. I'm going to say definitely not. Especially not first year on Suzuki. Maybe, who knows how long his contract is. Who knows how well the progression and the updating of the bike goes with him there. But in the comments below, you tell me. How well do you think the yellow squad, the Suzuki boys, are going to do this year? Obviously, with pretty much a full new team. Big names, big injuries, everything else. And obviously a big new sponsor being Progressive, not just Twisted Tea. You tell me in the comments below, how well do you think they do? The team overall, Roczen specifically, because obviously he's the big one here. But you tell me in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do whatever you want. It really does help me playing the YouTube game with the algorithm and all of what it is. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.